You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly, also this acronym and how it's usually pronounced in English. So let's break it down. If you want to learn more confusing names, stay tuned. There are more videos for you pronounced in British English or American English pronunciations as Moe. Do you pronounce it Moe or Moo? It can also be pronounced as MOE as an acronym. English pronunciation most commonly Moe. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.